Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to reply to a message in a Messenger group chat on your PC. With the latest updates, this process has become even more user-friendly, making group conversations smoother. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your computer. If you're not logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your chats. Once you're inside, you'll see all your ongoing conversations listed on the left side of the screen. Next, locate the group chat where you want to reply to a specific message. Click on the group name to open the conversation. This will display all the messages exchanged among group members, allowing you to catch up on the discussion. Now, scroll through the messages to find the specific one you'd like to respond to. In group chats, it's especially important to address the right message to keep the conversation clear and relevant. When you find the message you want to reply to, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice a few options appear on the right side. Click on Reply. This action will open a text box specifically for your response, linking it directly to the message you're addressing. Now it's your turn to write your reply. Type your message in the text box. You can also add emojis or attachments to make your response more engaging and personal. Once you're satisfied with your message, simply click Send. And there you have it. You've successfully replied to a message in a Messenger group chat on your PC. This feature helps keep conversations organized and allows everyone in the group to follow the thread easily. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using Messenger and other tech tools.